Respected principal of this madrasa, honorable guest, and dear my classmate, I am Hashim Asghar Abbasi from Birod. Alhamdulillah, I am Hafiz Quraan and also doing my matriculation. Respected listeners, today I will deliver a speech in front of you, and the topic of my speech is the qualities of a good Muslim. My dear men, a good Muslim always has a strong belief on Allah Almighty. He always remains neat and clean and also keep his environment clean. A good Muslim always speaks the truth and never tell a lie. He makes always his character sound and noble. He does not indulge in backbiting and never calls in anyone by names. He always makes his character sound and noble. He always makes his character sound and noble. He helps others in their difficulties. He obeys his elder and respects his teachers. In short, a good Muslim is embodiment to all of good qualities. May Allah the Almighty grant us courage to all adopt all good qualities of a good Muslim. I heartily thankful to you for your listening and encouragement. Ameen. Allah Hafiz.